Hi, it's Eddie Johnson here again, Managing Director of ISIS Insurance. Today we're going to address one of the most frequently asked questions we are asked by many of our customers. All vehicle insurance policies will specify the individual insurer's acceptable driver criteria, and it's imperative that you as a business owner are able to ensure that all of your drivers are able to meet this criteria. We speak to a number of clients who have fallen foul of this problem, and the repercussions can be frightening. So, how do you as a business owner ensure that your drivers are eligible to drive under your insurance policy? Well, most policies will stipulate that drivers have to be over or under a certain age to drive under your policy. An example is a fleet or multi-vehicle policy which stipulates that drivers are over 25 or under 65. Managing this should be pretty straightforward for most business owners. In addition, the policy may require the drivers to have held the relevant licence for a period of time. An example here would be a heavy goods vehicle insurance policy that requires a driver to have held his licence, maybe a Class 1, for 1 or maybe 2 years, dependent on the individual insurer. Here again, a simple check of the driver's employment history and obtaining a copy of their licence should establish the fact. So far, so good. So, what about convictions? Now this is by far the biggest issue we see in relation to claims problems. Imagine a driver who was employed some years ago, had a conviction-free licence when he joined your business, but how do you know that driver has not sustained a number of convictions since then? And of course, they could invalidate your insurance cover whilst that driver is using your vehicle. Now, whichever policy you decide is best suited to your organisation, the first step is to check the original driver licences of all employees. Retain a signed copy, dated, on your files. Maybe you can include this as part of your induction process. Then, include the rechecking of licences on a regular basis as part of your management process. Asking to recheck licences on a regular basis, maybe every 3 or 6 months. And of course, retain copies signed and dated on your files. However, manual checks can be open to abuse. Whatever the most robust method, but we can use the DVLA check-in service, which can provide details of a driver's current licence status and any endorsements. The system does require the consent of your driver to enable DVLA to release personal information to you, but DVLA can provide a 1 or 3 year mandate system during which you as the employer allow unlimited access to your employees' driving records. There are of course a number of other companies who are able to provide this type of service also. Whichever system you choose to operate, you should make it a requirement of your drivers that they inform you straight away if they're convicted of any driving offence. For more details, please visit our website. Thank you.